everyone, this is Miss Brandon from the Benjamin branch of the Greensboro Public Library. Miss Christine and I are back with a new seasonal building challenge. If you've missed our past challenges, they can still be found on the library's Facebook page, and direct links to the videos are in the post. And now for our inspiration for this month's challenge.
Hi, this is Miss Christine from the Vance Chavis Branch Library. This morning when I went to my car there was frost, and it made me think of snowflakes.
That's right, we'll be making snowflakes. And as we make them with our building toys, we're going to learn how a snowflake is made, like a real one. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, a snowflake begins to form when a pollen or dust particle in the sky has an extremely cold water droplet freeze onto it, creating an ice crystal. As it falls to the ground, water vapor freezes onto the crystal, building new crystals, the 6 arms of the snowflake. The shapes of the new crystals are determined by the atmospheric conditions, the temperature and humidity experienced by the snowflake as it falls. A snowflake might begin to grow arms in one way, and then seconds later, slight changes in the atmosphere cause it to grow in another way.
Every snowflake is unique, and I love that building toys allow you to create unique items.
To learn more about snow and snowflakes, or just for fun reading, check out these books available with your library card in the NC Kids Digital Library. We'd also like to encourage you to check out one of our free resources available to library card holders from the Research tab of our website, the Digital Public Library of America. This resource provides access to primary source material in the form of millions of photographs, books, sounds, and more from libraries, archives, and museums across the U.S. After clicking on it from the research page, you'll need to enter your library card number, and here we go. Let's search for snowflakes. With over 700 results, we're going to filter them with the subject nature photography. Look at these high-quality images of real photos of real snowflakes. Inspired by these images, we encourage you to try building beautiful, symmetrical, 6-sided snowflakes of your own with building toys or items from around your house. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget, the Greensboro Public Library is open online all day, every day, with downloadable ebooks, audiobooks, movies, music, and more. Thank you.